Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a table setting for the summer. And before I do my table setting, I like to clean my table off with Windex. Just wipe it down really good before I place my decor items on the table. Maybe I got problems. This is the table runner that I will be using. It's a gray color. It's faux silk and sheer in the middle. So this is really cute. Yeah, I think I've used this before in a table setting. I'll be using these glass chargers. They are beaded around the rim. And I won't be using any placemats for this table setting. But these are really pretty. These are my favorite. I would say one of my favorites. These are always my go-to because they tend to go with any table setting. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy. But hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Now that I have my centerpiece, now I'm going to add these 2 candle holders. They're tea light candle holders. And I'm going to place them on each side of the vase.
All right, so this is the overall look, and we're just going to get a close-up of everything, and also I will talk about all the decor items I used and where I purchased them from. All right, so let's talk about this table setting really fast. I'm just going to go over everything really quick. Starting off, okay, let's start off with the pillows. These are some pillow covers. These are 18 by 18. I purchased these on Amazon. So they're yellow, and they do have the orange. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I use these for the head of the table. Now, of course, if you're having a dinner party and your centerpiece is high like this, you would position your chairs. You know, you would sit them another way, but I didn't feel like doing that. I'm not having anybody coming over for dinner. This is just for video purposes. But usually I will put one chair there, another one there, and you know, just like that. But anyway, so those are my pillow covers, and what I did was for the napkin rings, this is a DIY. I do have a video on that. I will post that and anything else that I have links to in the description box. But yeah, this is just a DIY. And I got the flower from Hobby Lobby, and the napkin ring came from Dollar Tree. And these yellow napkins are from the thrift store. So the dinner plate and the salad plate is from HomeGoods. And the clear chargers, they're beaded. These are also from Amazon. So yeah, I just did that. And I sat my dinner napkin in, you know, like an angle. I sat it like that. And then the silverware that I use. Now I use this on a daily basis. These are really old, but these are from Big Lots. They're what is it? Brushed nickel. No, it's stainless steel. Stainless steel. So got that. But this is what I use every day. So, and then these wine glasses are from Pier 1. I've used these plenty of times in my videos. And then the candle holders, these are from Burlington. So, and the table runner is from Amazon. These yellow tulips are from Amazon. The orchids are from Amazon. The vase is from HomeGoods. I bought that some years ago. And yeah, that's it. that is it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this table setting, table scape. Like I said, any details that I have, I will post in the description box. And I don't know what else, y'all. Talking so fast. And that's it. Check out my recent videos that I've done. I think I have like 5 of them. Y'all can check those out also. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.